as the Ukrainian drone army wants to take out any Russian equipment they can find. To see a possibility to take out 2 pieces of equipment with one punch is even better, as a Russian Ural 4320 truck was towing a Msta-B Howitzer. As the truck was most likely holding ammunition for the artillery system, the FPV drone chases after this and strikes it in the back. As the result of a smoke cloud could be seen in the distance, a hit was obvious, later coming with another drone seeing the result, showing the artillery system damaged and the supply truck completely destroyed, taking out more of Russia's equipment, leaving a little less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.